live. Welcome everybody to another episode of SEO Bros Live. This is so cool. What's up, Yaron?
What's up?
Yaron in the zone.
What's going on, brother? How are you? Today we're looking at one of your favorites. And Ben is gone.
Can you hear me?
Yo.
Yo, man. What happened?
Don't know.
All right. Weird. Okay. Share your screen, man. Let's roll.
We got some people in the chat, I see.
Who's in the chat?
So today, hold on, let me share differently. I don't want to share a tab, I want to share a screen. Share a window? What does a window do? Am I sharing? Can you see my screen?
Yes, now you are sharing.
But you can't see the add-ons. Hold on. I'm gonna reshare again. I apologize.
All I did was go full screen and the whole thing crashed. was amazing. Okay,
So
we are back. Okay, so let me give you a quick background on what we do here. So SEO Bros is a show where we mostly roast websites, where we go on websites and we actually do a full audit or partial audit of their SEO best practices, various things we look at, and we give them maximum value for free and for fun. And we also sometimes interview people, which is cool. We might have some people from AirOps joining us for some interviews, I hope. But today we're going to be going through the website of AirOps.com and seeing what kind of feedback we could give them, what they could improve on in their general SEO game. So let me give you a quick intro to AirOps. So AirOps is, in my mind, and I'm a bit biased, I've been using them for about 3 months now. They are the ultimate
3 months?
AI platform for creating content at scale.
Hold on. So they're a content creation platform?
They're an AI platform.
Okay.
Specifically for creating content and creating workflows, really, AI workflows. So most of that is creating content, but you could create AI workflows for anything. This is specifically for SEO. So it could be keyword research, could be, all kinds of things. So it's pretty cool. The reason why a company would use a platform is because even creating your own custom GPT is just not good enough. It takes a long time. The output isn't good. It's not flexible. And here, you can use any LLM, put all these models together, make workflows, and this thing could scrape the web for you. Like, let's say you put in a keyword, right? Put in a keyword, then it goes and scrapes the web, all the search results. Then it analyzes the results. It creates a brief. So if you want to send briefs to writers, you could use this to create the brief in any format you want. But then you can actually have it write the article with many different steps. And the best part is you have a knowledge base where you can put anything you want, specific brand messaging, specific anything, and then the features of your product. And then you can recall that through the prompts and actually have the AI workflow added into the article in a smart way. So it's really flexible. Yeah.
So what they're basically the AI content creation at scale from every step.
Yeah. And they work with companies, SaaS companies, they work with SEO agencies. Yeah.
Okay.
They do have a bunch of content. It looks like more events and videos than blogs, which is good. They do have.
So I'm going to hold them to a very high standard. So AirOps, I apologize, but if you're looking to automate my field, in essence, what I'm an expert in, if I may say that, then I'm going to be very harsh with you.
I don't take things personally, man. No one's getting rid of you yet.
No, I'm just saying, whenever you roast somebody who claims to be an expert on the field, like for example, we roasted another AI automation website, right? Yeah. And then he wouldn't create content with his AI. So I'm going to hold, let's see how well they do what they say the service they're providing, right?
True.
Not to say,
I think we should start with the homepage because there's a lot of technical issues there with the headers.
Homepage. Oh my God.
Their headers are all over the place. What are you seeing, man?
Are all of these headers or is it repeating? All of these are like H2s?
Yeah, I guess so.
But there's not enough content on this page to have so many headers. Okay, so these are like H2s, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
So
Way
this is
too
where
many.
the issue lies, really. Is it just these? It's so everything under most popular shouldn't be here
So everything in that widget is coming out as headers
until
on that page.
yeah, until here. So all of these should not be H2s here. All of these.
Wow.
Wrong tagging.
What would you put it as? Paragraph text?
Yeah,
H3?
it's not a header on the art. It's not a header on this
Right.
page.
Right.
What about here? It's results. Here results real fast. Built
Is
for
this
position and what is no more juggling tools? Blah blah blah. What is this?
what did that say?
No more judging tools. Blah blah blah. It's like supposed to be like
It's like a hidden header in there.
it's definitely a hidden header. It doesn't
Uh,
exist on the page, so that's an issue.
that's
It was
great.
like they placed it as a placeholder until they write the real content and they didn't remove it. They just
Yeah.
hid it,
Yeah.
or they removed the section. The entire section is not showing up. Yeah, they removed the section, so they started working on a section, and then they decided, no, we don't like this section. They just hid it and they kept it in.
Maybe they're doing an A/B test on the homepage. But yeah, I would definitely clean up the headers, guys.
Team enablement, solution builds, AirOps, your engine for revenue velocity. So this is actually proper header structure. Here, there's no proper header structure also. So yeah, you have built for precision and scalability, but you don't have data foundation, AI workflows, run and review grids.
I put those as H3s, guys.
Yeah, and then let's continue just with headers. Yeah. Um, AI answer engines are the new gatekeepers. Okay, so this is the first H2, and then win citation ranking stem. Well, that's the H1. Okay, so already pretty bad situation here on the homepage. Hidden content, which is a big issue. A
Yep.
lot of headers that shouldn't be here. Um,
Cool.
and if I'm honest, like who is their ICP? Who is their ideal customer profile? Is it SEO managers, SEO companies? Is it content marketing companies? Who
I
is
think
their
it's
target audience?
I think it's enterprise content teams, like content managers of larger companies. When I say larger, I mean like people
Because
that
it doesn't look like it. By team, content and SEO teams, marketing agencies. Yet here they're not talking to those people. So this goes back to our conversation with Morty. They don't have their brand kit in order. They don't know who they're talking to. They don't know who their ideal customer profile is.
you mean based on that sentence on
Yeah,
H1 here? Well, it looks
yeah. I
good.
mean,
I want to
that's
win
the header
citations.
of your homepage. If there's ever a place to talk to talk specifically to your audience,
Yeah.
this has to be it. Win citations, dominate rankings, stay on brand. This is like you're talking to brands. You're talking to big enterprise corporate companies.
Yeah.
You're not
Well,
talking to SEO teams or marketing agencies here, right?
let's click on content and SEO teams and see what they mean over there. Because maybe that whole page is maybe it's content SEO teams of enterprise companies. Because that would make sense. It's teams that have a high content output. They publish a lot of content. or they want to publish a lot of content. So check this out, right? Look at these features, right? You got the deeper research, programmatic content. This is good stuff. But I see what you're saying. It's not, in terms of SEO, they don't have enough content on their homepage or product pages here to really explain to me what this does.
So forget what it does. Who are you talking to? It's not clear to me.
Right.
Are you marketing yourself to, like, teams inside a company? Okay, sure. Makes sense. But then marketing agencies, I don't know. Could be to both, but then you're not talking to one of your ideal customers, like one of your target audiences. You're just leaving them out. There's an issue here. It could be that their target audience is like company teams, but then you're leaving out the marketing agencies. And if it's not the company teams, then you're not talking to your target audience. Anyway, there's an issue here.
Yeah, you need more context. Describe what you do.
This is not enough, basically.
Just like you asked me, what are they, right? Are they a AI platform? Are they
it's
have
not
that in
clear.
there.
And now I'm looking at this, and this is just confusing me even more.
I would
Win
break up those
citations,
steps.
dominate ranking, stay on brand. Like, they're branding themselves as an SEO agency here, or a search everywhere agency, right?
Right.
Especially with driving scalable growth strategies. And there was another one here. 20x increase in organic traffic. I mean, that's how
Agencies
SEO
talk.
or content marketing companies speak.
Right.
So they're branding themselves as such.
Right.
So this is not very clear to me as who you
Right.
are. And then this just makes it even more confusing.
I would break up all these steps. Like, instead of the video is great, but I would break up like this part where you're creating the workflow. So describe that for me in the text. Create advanced AI workflows in minutes. Right. And then describe the use cases, the examples. But yeah, I would definitely do that. I would split up.
I would say this is too much too early.
Mm-hmm.
With this being as confusing as it is, this is way too much too early. AI answer engines are the new gatekeepers. Okay. Content should be for humans and agents. Mm-hmm. I would love to know where they got these numbers from. Mm-hmm. I agree. I agree.
Knowing you, you're gonna
I
read
agree.
this entire page.
Yeah. Hey, if you're gonna say that that you're gonna do what I do best, I wanna see that you represent it. I mean, these numbers, that's the only thing I want to see where they got from. But the rest of it, I agree. And I also agree, like ChatGPT, like AI, LLM traffic is on the rise, and CTRs are dropping. With the great decoupling going on, everybody's feeling it. There's not a website that doesn't feel it.
Yeah.
Find out how
100%.
you scale your content operation. Like, this is a clearer messaging.
Yeah.
This simple sentence. That's a clear messaging. That explain that here I know what they're doing. And it's also targeted at both customer profiles that we discussed earlier. This is clear to me. This makes sense.
AI platform to scale content operations.
Yeah.
Perfect. You should have that as somewhere next to the H1 or be the H1.
Yeah. Like, this is what you do.
Yeah.
This confuses me.
Is a benefit.
But yeah, that's a benefit. It's an outcome of what you do.
Yeah. Spot on, man.
Your engine for revenue velocity.
That's
Okay.
a little confusing.
Yeah, I don't know what that sentence means.
Revenue usually talks to sales teams. So
Your engine for revenue velocity. So this we are gonna push the pedal to the metal to increase your revenue. Is that what they're saying?
yeah. Okay. Amazing.
Experts are AI growth experts identify and capture immediate opportunities today while engineering tomorrow's growth trajectory. So do they work with you closely and help you set up strategies and stuff, or is it just a platform?
They do have some kind of service like that. I
Okay.
mean, for bigger teams, they set up all the workflows with you.
Yeah, but there's
But I don't know if they
setting
actually
up
do like
workflow
consult.
and then there's strategy,
Yeah, I don't
right?
know if they do the strategy. Maybe, not sure.
Interesting. We deliver AI-driven content workflows with precision needed to produce on-brand, high-performing content pipelines. Through our expert guidance and training, which we follow teams from AI users to AI builders. Okay. Built for precision and scalability, data foundation. Turn your brand guidelines and market expertise into a profitable foundation that automatically captures your voice and stays on brand. Test ambitious ideas, refine outputs with built-in human review, and scale what works with powerful precision workflow that deliver real results.
These should be the H2s
Yeah,
because now that we know that you are an AI platform for scaling content, for content
yeah.
operations,
You need to talk more about these. Yeah.
yeah, these would be the main H2s.
Before the video,
Yeah,
this is way too soon. It's a nice video, but it's way too soon. Like I don't know who you are and what you do.
yeah.
Okay, some this. Okay, find your flight path. AirOps, like air operations. Okay,
We're flying. Okay.
yeah. Hey, it's they're the engine to your revenue velocity. Sorry, sorry, who does the branding? Yeah, but I'm just gonna, if I may, it is a roast after all. SEO and content teams, marketing agencies, e-commerce. Okay, so these are like their target audiences. Hey, why is e-commerce not in this by teams here? And what happens when I click on it? It's a use case. Okay. So why is it not in the main menu? E-commerce smarter AI tailored pages that drive sales. AirOps improve web pages that scale with precise
It
AI
would work
workflows.
really well
Okay.
for
So
e-commerce.
this is like okay, same thing. Uh,
So same issues on the product pages? A little
no,
more.
these are more clear. I'm saying
Yeah.
like this is what I saw in the home pages.
Yeah.
It's actually better.
Yeah. You want to look at their blog? Or you
Yeah, in a sec, in a sec. I want to see some stuff here. They got their
want
metadata on point, which is good. Train on your band content, live web research, is
to look?
integration. Ben, are you getting cut off? Ben has been having some technical difficulties today. AirOps provide quick and intelligent solution. Get started in seconds. Okay. So they have their features. Let's look at the blog while Ben comes back. Um, this is all brand content. Let's find a how-to that is not a brand content. This is a Is this SEO content or content marketing? Header structures could be better. This should be an H2 and an H3. What else are we seeing here? Meta description a bit short. Canonical is in place. Schema, article schema. You're back.
Back. What's up?
Yeah.
All right. So, what'd you find out so far? You looking at the blog?
Yeah, I started looking at the blog. Most of their blog seems to be like brand content.
Yeah.
Like I don't see any like evergreen content marketing
Right.
topics. So this is kind of like, I don't know. Do you have that saying in English where the shoemaker walks around barefoot?
Yep.
Like
Exactly.
you have all of the foundation to do your services, but you're not doing them.
Yeah.
And
Exactly.
it's all at the click of a button. So why aren't you doing it? Like I understand so this is the thing. Why am I saying this? It's been known that SEO agencies don't invest in their own websites SEO, except for the very big ones, because it takes an operation to build content marketing and a big team and checking everything and writing and it's an operation. But
Right.
in your case, it's all AI workflows, so it all should be a few clicks, and you should be ready to go.
Well,
So
you
it's also
always
hard. Hmm?
you'll still need humans in the loop, and you'll still need to run the workflows. So, yeah, they just haven't invested in that, I guess, or we haven't
Yeah,
found it yet. Are they ranking for anything on Ahrefs?
I haven't even gone to that point yet. I'm just looking at all of the articles look the same. Also, it's every hero image, video. It's like they're transcribing videos. I think I don't know.
Yeah.
They're making video content and then turning it into they're repurposing, which I'm assuming they do with AI. If they are not doing it with AI, it would be weird at this point.
Yeah.
Uh,
So let's look at their Ahrefs.
yeah, I just want to. I'm going like I'm skimming through the article to see what I think of it because it's probably AI written. I'm just curious as to the how high quality it is. Looks fine. Looks good. I'm surprised. No, I'm surprised because most AI written content is still like really bad. People just copy paste from AI. They don't rescan it to see if there's the common AI written pitfalls of
Yeah.
what's going on here. They changed this AI citations.
Yeah. Welcome to the new world, man. I don't know how accurate it is, but here's what it is.
Interesting. I haven't seen it yet. DR61. Let's look at top pages.
That's 6,000 keywords. Pretty good. When did they start publishing? You're gonna have to read everything out to me because everything's tiny.
So how am I supposed to get to this question, to this blog from here? It's down below.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, that's so confusing. That is so
Yeah.
confusing. This looks like you've reached the end of the page. This
Right.
looks like a footer.
Right.
It doesn't look like a banner because I was like, how do you get to these?
There they are. I knew they had some
So
stuff.
this is like proper content marketing. Let's look at this. This is where we judge. This is what we judge. Multiple H1 tags are already an issue,
Yeah,
and it seems to be from the footer. So that's across the website,
that's a
right?
problem.
Get the latest on AI and content marketing. Where is this? It's not even on the page.
Oh, hidden H1 across the site.
Is it across the site? Really?
I think so. Across the blog, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe it's
It's
like
like a
a
footer they
mini.
removed or something. Because it's like get more. It's not even get more from AirOps. It's
Yeah,
more from AirOps. Yeah, it's supposed to be somewhere here. They removed it.
it's a lot of CTA buttons, no? Oh, that's the table of
Oh,
contents.
no, I like this. I always recommend a sticky table of contents to subscribe. I wouldn't do email address and subscription. I've yet to meet somebody who actively joins these nowadays joins these email what
Yeah,
they're called. I forgot the
email
name.
list,
Yeah, nobody.
newsletters.
People don't do that as much nowadays. I think it's falling out. Um,
You know what I'm missing here? I'm missing a video of this feature in the platform.
is that a feature on platform? Can ChatGPT summarize a YouTube video? Is it a feature of the platform?
Yeah, you can build a workflow and just summarize a video.
Yeah, that's missing. Um,
But they have started
also,
doing video lessons.
also, it's just a block of text, no
Mhm.
images in between. See, while ChatGPT, while YouTube. So
A little repetitive.
it's AI. While ChatGPT, that's a bit AI,
Yeah,
but that's from 2024, I guess. Maybe a year ago. So maybe they need to do some.
refreshing.
Where is it? Where is it? I saw it somewhere.
What?
No, they were pushing content refresh somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Maybe you should do some content refreshing on the
Click on
website.
that. What happens when you click on that? Is it like a dedicated product page?
So same
Mm.
H1 as the homepage. That's a big no-no. I'm assuming that's an H1. Yeah, exactly same H1. Look at the meta description.
What? It's too big. Looks like
Yeah,
it's too
way too
long.
big.
Yeah. So they have a few tweaks to do for sure.
This is a nice image.
Yeah. Old world, new world. Did you know we're in the new world of SEO?
Hmm?
We're in the new world of SEO. That's it.
Yeah, we definitely are. SEO has completely changed, completely shifted. I'm loving it.
You're
It's
loving
super
it?
exciting. Yeah, yeah, I'm loving it.
It's good.
It's super exciting. It's super interesting. It's the issue I had with the old SEO, especially with the old tactics, is that you were working very hard to produce something very specific that was okay for the reader, like from the reader's perspective. It was meh. It was keyword stuffing. It was super long. It contained so much that the reader didn't know. Now you're working on producing high quality content, which is that's really part of the line for everything in search everywhere. It's high quality. And it's where Google has been going like the last couple of years, and I love it.
Yeah.
I'd rather work my ass off and create something that is of high quality than work my ass off and create something that is just there for the ranking. I enjoy it so much more.
But then a lot of people are saying that eventually we're going to be writing for the bots.
We already are.
We already are, yeah. But I'm saying people are.
We've always been writing for the algorithm, right? When you have a product page and in e-commerce and you fill the bottom half with a lot of content, who are you writing that for? The human? No.
But humans used to read the content. In the future, humans aren't even going to read it.
No, but the content will be cited. So they will read snippets of it. Also, everything you're reading from LLMs, I feel like there's this big misconception. I don't know if it's a misconception or people tend to kind of forget how LLMs work. LLMs don't know anything. They predict the next. They don't have a knowledge of something. They predict what is the next word to come. So
Right.
they don't have an understanding of a concept, right? It's a language model. It's not general AI that maybe there we can talk about something that's thinking. Here it's predicting the next word. So all it does is it reproduces content that already exists. So in essence, you can say they do read your content. They're just not from you. They read it after it's been viewed or repurposed by
Yeah.
an agent, by a large language model,
Yeah.
right?
I think it's going to be a big shift for video because videos
For
get cited
video,
a lot.
yeah, when it can process videos properly, yeah. I don't know that it does. Does it process videos properly right now?
Yeah, I think Gemini and I think AI overviews, they cite a lot of videos.
Then yeah, but they cite also videos just as sources for you to watch without actually watching the content
Yeah.
or going through the content. We need to remember that also AIs are built to be efficient token wise. So they want to spend as little time as they need in order
Right.
to give you the best answer. So it's like a balance of how much energy do I spend to get a good enough answer.
Right. So I got a question, man.
Hmm. I'm not an expert at this. Yeah, I'm just this is my understanding of it. I could
We're
be
not
wrong.
experts in anything, bro. I'm barely an expert in tying my own shoes. I got a question. For AirOps, are they ranking
Okay. Are they
for
ranking?
the
And we lost Ben again. So I think what he was going after was, are they ranking for the correct keywords or for their what should be target keywords? Let's kind of do some filtering while he comes back. So keywords doesn't contain air up there really. And partial match. So let's see what we've got here. Let's focus on US just because it's the largest sample size. How does ChatGPT work? Okay, what is prompt engineering? Make AI, that's a good keyword for them. These keywords are not really relevant to them, in my opinion. How does ChatGPT work? That's a overly generic keyword. You're not going to attract your content SEO teams or marketing agencies with that keyword. So, hey, Ben,
Oh, hey man, what's going on?
I think I understood what you were saying. You were asking if they're ranking for keywords that they should be ranking.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Like AI
So,
platform and AI content
so
tool.
this actually, so I went to Ahrefs and I looked at what they're ranking top 10, doesn't contain AirOps or the, brand mentions. And this is actually kind of interesting. One of the approaches that we know that we're implementing in our work is we're ensuring that the content that is on my website or on my clients' websites is super relevant to the target audience and the brand and the product. What
Yeah.
do I mean by that? So I could be selling email marketing. Okay. That means my ideal customer profile is CMOs, for example, or marketing positions. Now, does that mean that I should be talking about um, generic marketing topics like SEO as an email marketing provider?
Nope.
No, it's not relevant to my product.
Correct.
And what we're seeing here is we're seeing how does ChatGPT work? That is not a query that is relevant to your product.
It's top of the funnel.
Do you think? Do you think content SEO teams, marketing agencies, or e-commerce? Where is it? Where do we have all of the customer profiles at the bottom? Or e-commerce, where I have to go to find e-commerce or e-commerce web owners are looking for the query, how does ChatGPT work?
Very, very top of the funnel initial AI, dis, discovery.
That's somebody who just learned about ChatGPT and wonders how it doesn't work. This has
Yeah.
nothing to do with these people. Yes, it could be that some of these people would search for it, but most of the people searching for how does ChatGPT work are not these people.
It's probably one of the first posts they've written. I'm guessing.
Could be. I don't know,
It's
but
number
but,
two.
but
It gets some traffic.
this goes back to, you know, what are they selling?
Yeah.
They're selling search everywhere optimization. I like search everywhere better because if you're optimizing for LLMs and you're driving quality content, you're optimizing for traditional SEO as well. If you're
Yeah.
doing it right, you're doing both at the same time. So
100%.
they're selling search everywhere optimization. Yet they are victims of the same issue where they have content that is not relevant to their product.
Correct. It's very
So
top of
they
the
are not
funnel.
optimized for search everywhere.
Also,
It's
like sales
I have
productivity
this
metrics.
sales productivity metrics,
I mean, the
sales
post is
performance
about
metrics.
content metrics. So, okay. But yeah, they probably
What
read out.
was yesterday's date?
Yeah.
How to get yesterday's date in
That's a
SQL?
great programmatic play.
No,
No,
but
but
how to
that's
get yesterday's date in SQL
oh
removed? Should be removed.
yeah.
Best
But what?
SEO agencies in Nashville, Tennessee.
Okay, all right. That's a listicle play. Hard to rank for that. We tried with Maple.
That's
That was
such
a
a
hard
weird.
game.
That's such a weird article in my mind. They're like trying to find the people who are looking for it, but then offering an alternative.
When was
Is
this
that
published?
the January 2025? 6 months ago,
Interesting.
7 months ago.
Don't know. Yeah, it doesn't fit their current product, their core product. Like, what do we want to see up here? What are the keywords that you'd want to see them rank for?
I don't know. I need to think about it. I need to do some market research, but definitely AI content workflows,
Yeah,
AI content writing, which model is best, which LLM model is best for content writing, uh, which LLM model sounds most human. Um,
alternative pages. Like they got the phrase alternative.
Yeah, alternative pages, they can do some programmatic there. What are the 3 types of prompting in AI? Again, this is talking to developers, I guess, or I don't know who.
This is called content engineers. Okay,
They ask for three types of prompting in AI.
it's a new breed. But yeah, I've never heard of these. But I'm just a budding content engineer, so I can't claim that. Yeah, but it's basically for anybody who's prompting, who's creating workflows.
Yeah, who's like a prompt engineer. That I understand, but
No, these people they don't need to be techie anymore because of this platform where you can build those workflows and you can change prompts and you
yeah.
can know some best practices without actually knowing how to code. It's pretty cool. Maybe I'll do a demo for you one time.
What a shocker here, Ben.
Well, yeah, it has to be the top. It has to be
I know. I know.
because
I love
LLMs are going
these.
to
I
cite
love
it.
these articles. It's such a interesting thing. Let's see. I'm curious. They actually link to their competitors. That's such a mistake.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
guess so. Market Muse.
Yeah, they're providing the. I mean, so this feels. All of this tells me one thing,
Yeah,
and I'm. I don't want to. I don't want to be too harsh, but to me, it feels like the people behind AirOps did not come from traditional SEO.
it could be that just didn't. They didn't invest fully in their own SEO and content.
It's not about investing. A person with traditional who's coming from the field of search engine optimization would not do many of the things that we're seeing here.
They probably came
It
from a AI background. Like their whole
could
goal was,
be. It could
how do
be.
we create this AI platform for people?
Yeah, they found a niche. They could. I don't know what their background is. I'd love to see who they are. Is there an
Maybe we can
about us page?
talk to us. No, no, that's cool.
But I feel like there's it's missing some fundamentals, some basic fundamentals of traditional search. Because
Yeah,
yes, AI or search everywhere is the new thing, but you need to understand that it's still based on traditional search,
yeah,
right? So traditional search is not going anywhere. The way it's being used and what it's for is changing. Biggest takeaway from this that people should take
yeah.
is the use case of top of the funnel content. I'm gonna pause because we've roasted them enough. Top of the funnel content. Ben, what was top of the funnel content for back in the day? Not back in the day, but 2 years ago. It was meant to generate awareness of your brand on topics that are relevant to your clients,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Not anymore. Top of
Why
the
not?
funnel content today, in my eyes, is shifting to serve LLMs
Yeah,
with Google AI mode rolling out in the US, with AI overviews, with people using ChatGPT more and more. They're getting their top of the funnel answers from these sources. They are no longer going into websites and reading articles. It's a shift in behavior, really. And that means that your top of the funnel content, if you want to be cited on one of those sources, right? If you want to be slotted into the funnel, right? The marketing funnel, the tofu, mofu, bofu funnel, right? And you want to capture those at the tofu stage, you need to be cited. And in order to be cited, you need to write top of the funnel content. Still need to write it. It's just that it's not going to generate all of the clicks that it used to generate because people no longer click on it. But bottom of the funnel and middle of the funnel still do generate clicks. It's much lower volumes. Because top of the funnel is already getting, even middle of the funnel is already, the research is being done on these chats, these LLM chats, on Google AI mode. Answers are provided by AI overviews. I myself, AI overviews, whenever I get one, I use that. I don't go to a website. I don't
100%.
click anymore. That's the great decoupling. That's what's happening.
Yeah.
Top of the funnel content used to drive most of the clicks as well, because it's the most common searches, the biggest volumes. So it's not that it's dead, it's just the role or what it's supposed to do has shifted. You want to be cited or mentioned in the answer. And in order to do that, you need to create even better top of the funnel content. Because
Yeah.
now the LLM goes and it scans all of the top 10 or top 20 or whatever, depending if you do with deep research or not. And it looks for the highest quality content. So the bar has been raised for top of the funnel content, while the clicks are no longer your reward, rather your brand presence is the reward. And that's why I keep going to the conversation with Morty. It was such a good conversation.
We should have
Guys,
him.
if you haven't seen it, you should watch it.
Yeah.
Your brand positioning is so important right now that it's crazy. It's crazy. You got to make sure that every top of the funnel content that you have on the website is aligned with your brand. It's talking to your ideal customer profile, like they should be doing with their homepage, right? It's like relevant to your product, and it's super high quality with expert inputs, data, something that would make the LLM go, this is a nice thing I can share with in my answer. Because if you have the same information as everybody else, why? Why choose Y over X? Right? It's the same content. Bring something unique, something that nobody else has. And we've lost Ben, I think. For the third time. Let's wait for him to come back.
And I'm back.
There you are.
My thing froze only 4 times this roast, so it's been a record. Wow. Amazing. Well, I love your insights about their homepage and their brand targeting. That was spot on. And I think they need to step up their game on the technical side. They got some fixes, and they need to generate better content. Bottom of the funnel.
Yeah.
They have a lot of stuff.
They need, I think, step one, brand positioning. You have the tools to figure it out. Like you figure it out, and you have your AI platform to reinforce it across the entire website. Um, Redo the menus. You're leaving out some of your ideal customers, if they still are, and if they're not, then change the branding. Redo that. Clarify everything. Everything is about clarity today. People, when you got to remember this, every day I feel like 50 new tools come out, and if you're not clear and on point, people are just going to move on to the next one. Got to be very clear about who you are and what you're selling, what you want.
Amazing.
Yeah. Score. Ben, what is your score?
Man, I give an A+ on the tool. It is epic.
Yeah, but don't be objective. Come on.
Objectively, SEO wise,
SEO wise, traditional SEO wise.
traditional SEO wise, I'd give them like a B-, because they have the design, they have some of the elements we're looking for. They got author pages and table of contents and banners and CTAs and everything.
Mm-hmm.
They just need to fix stuff up and actually get a strategy and start pushing out content.
I agree. I definitely agree with the scoring as well. Kind of the shoemaker walks barefoot situation.
Yep. Amazing.
And I'm okay with it when it's a lot of work, but when it's clicks and it's with an AI, I have this thing with AI companies who offer automations and they don't do it their own automations. That just I don't know why it bugs me. It bugs me. You're selling the simplicity of the idea, yet it's not simple enough for you to do it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but it's like they're focusing on their customers. It's like an SEO agency not doing SEO.
But the whole shtick, the whole sales pitch is it's easy to do.
Yeah.
No, I mean that's what bothers me. If it's so easy, how come you're not doing it? Then it must not be as easy as you're saying.
Fair point.
That's what I'm saying. Like with traditional content marketing, you have to write, you have to be a writer, you need to check, edit. There's a whole process. If it's a few clicks and setting up a workflow that then you can use for months ahead, then why are you not using it? Why? Why is that a thing? That's what bothers me. That it's like there's a contradiction there that doesn't sit well with me.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's my take. But I agree with your B-. AirOps, I hope you don't hate me. I've been harsh, I know. But I think it's because I'm super excited. I'm loving this new search everywhere era. I think the new terms are going to be TSEO, traditional SEO, and just SEO, search everywhere optimization. I think that those are the terms, TSEO and SEO. SEO remains. It just changes. The abbreviation changes.
I like that. With like a little t or like a big T?
Like PSEO, like a little t. Like programmatic SEO, with a small p and a big SEO.
Right. We're going to
I
start
think that's the new term. Huh?
We're going to have museums of traditional SEO, what things used to be like back in the day. The burned out writers. It's going to be great.
AirOps. Ben, that's your shout. Sorry, I was going to take it. Go ahead.
AirOps.
You've been roasted.
You've been roasted.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Hopefully they take some insights from this.
Yeah. And hopefully we get to interview one of them soon.
And I would say go back and watch more of these conversations. I think that would be a very... Morty is super smart. He's working on the right things. He's doing the right things. I would say go watch that. Talk to him. He can probably help you.
For sure.
Yeah.
All right, Yaron. Thank you so much.
All right, Ben. Thank you.
You the man.
You the
And we'll
man.
see you guys soon.